Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a no-code chatbot builder and an LLM provider. This determines capabilities and cost. Once chosen, create a small intent map with 10-20 example phrases each so the model learns patterns. Next, link your content sources. A single Google Sheet or CSV is enough to seed responses and retrieval. Make sure to store your API key securely and set a simple persona for tone. These first steps let you iterate quickly and avoid major refactors later. Now you wire the flow. Design greeting, clarification, answer, and fallback nodes so conversations stay on track. Once done, connect a vector store and generate embeddings for your documents so the bot can retrieve precise facts. Adjust the context window to balance relevance and cost. Then add actions like webhooks or database queries for dynamic data, and use conditional branches to personalize replies. Make sure to test each node with edge case queries to catch logic gaps, and finish by running thorough scripted scenarios and freeform tests. Log every failure case and refine prompts or intent examples accordingly. Once stable, deploy with monitoring for latency, API errors, and cost so you can set rate limits and maintain uptime. If things go wrong, like hallucinations, reduce retrieved context, add clarifying follow-ups, or restrict sources to trusted docs. This cuts noise and improves accuracy. Finally, schedule weekly reviews to update content and retrain intent examples as you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.